What is up, everyone? Welcome to the channel. This is Sky. If you're new around here, we unbox and review random stuff you didn't know you needed. Today we have an entire package here full of keycaps. If you're not new to the channel, you know that we love keycaps here. So I'm just going to take one out, and the other ones are going to be for future videos, and whichever one I take out, then we'll review and we'll put on the keyboard as we usually do. So without further ado, let's get to this. I've had it for a while. I don't even remember what's inside, so let's open it up. Alright, so after opening one of those packages, I found inside a few of these pouches, and we're just going to pick one randomly and open it up. So let's see what this one has inside. I've never seen a pouch like this before, although I do believe I have purchased from this company before. So this is a nice little packaging here. Very neat, actually. And let's see what we have in here. So yeah, we absolutely have seen this packaging here before for the keycaps. And here, oh, this is nice. They sent a handwritten thank you card. And we also have seen this packaging as well. They were also nice enough to send a little keycap puller in there. Very cool. Let's start with this one first. And guys, I have no idea what's in here. I know I bought a bunch, I just don't know what's inside. And this one is what seems to be the Dota logo. So let's take it out. Oh wow, and this one is actually metallic. It's a metallic keycap. Same as the packaging that it comes in. And let's take a look at it. So the red on it, it's actually very nice. Like, they did a great job on this metal keycap. I have some other metal keycaps. I'm a little bit biased because I love red, so this looks very cool. So a little fun fact, if you don't know this, but the Dota logo actually means something. The center line is the river, and this is the Scourge Dire, and this one is the Sentinel Radiant. So if you're a League player, that's pretty much top, bottom, and that's the middle river. So that's a little fun fact about Dota logo for you. And when you turn it around, remember your Cherry MX stem. And this one's actually pretty thick for a metal keycap too. These are very nice quality. I really like this company that makes them. And this one here, it seems to be another Dota logo. So let's take a look at this one. This one has a plastic packaging instead. And this is indeed kind of an inverted, where the black is the logo and the bottom is red, and this one is actually resin. It should look pretty cool when lit up by the keyboard. Just to put them both here for comparison's sake. So very similar, and just the resin one, the logo seems a little bit bigger. And when you flip the bottom, remember your Cherry MX stem. Very clean, very nice cut. So let's put these on the keyboard and see how they look. Alright, so since they were nice enough to provide me with a keycap puller, I'm actually going to use it. And I'm going to take these two out. And I will be placing these nice Dota caps there. That one in nice and smooth. And that one as well. And wow, it immediately lit up so nice. I am impressed. I am impressed. This is one of the nicest resin keycaps I've ever seen lit up. Just look at how nice it lights up the entire keycap. Let's give it a sound test. That's the resin. That's the metal. Plastic. Artisan. Alright everyone, I really hope that you enjoyed that video. So here's my take on these Dota keycaps. The metal one, the colors, I mean this company just does amazing keycaps. I believe they're based out of China and they're called Keystone Keycaps, and I've bought multiple of them. I have the PUBG one and other ones that I have on the keyboard. Now as for that Resin one, I am just impressed. It looks amazing on the keyboard. It looks great. For all the artisans that I have, I always feel like I will just keep getting more keycaps that outdo one another. Now this one, I don't know what type of material they used, but it just lights up almost on its own just by light reflecting on it. So check out this slow motion video that I did and look how it lights up just by the RGB lighting reflecting on it from far away. The entire thing just absorbs the light and it looks so cool. I am really impressed by it. So with that being said, if you're a Dota fan and you want to have some little bit of customization on your mechanical keyboard, I will leave the description down below. These keycaps don't go for $20 or more, I believe. So for the quality, you're actually getting what you're paying for, and hopefully I can come across some more of these artisans and I can buy them, because I genuinely really like that one. I just like how it looks and I like how it lights up. So if you're new to the channel and you enjoy this kind of content, we unbox and review many keycaps here on the channel aside from other tech gadgets. Feel free to hit that like and subscribe button. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. It means the world to me. And remember everyone, be kind to one another.